today is day 2 of Blessedmas. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna make a wooden Christmas present, and we're gonna DIY it or style it. What I will be doing is DIYing this box and make it a Christmas present. Now, I purchased this at Goodwill for $3.99. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint it black and put some black and white ribbons on it, and then I'm gonna stamp it and give it as a gift. So what I gotta do first, I'm gonna take this box. I have my white paint here, and also my little kit. It has a roller and paintbrushes in it, and this is what I'm gonna use. I purchased that at the DollarTree. So what I'm gonna get started with, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started and paint it white. Then we're gonna decorate the outside of it, and then we're gonna fill it with gifts and give it as a present. So let's get started. Let's get it painted white. Okay guys, so I'm doing a voiceover here. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting on my gloves so I can start painting. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this white paint and paint the box. Then after I paint it, I will go back and spray paint it. So this is the paint I'm going to use, and my little roller and pan that I purchased at the DollarTree. So let's go ahead and get this paint out, and what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and put a base coat on the box. So that is what I'm about to do here. I'm just putting the base coat on, and then what I will do, I will go back and spray paint the box with a white paint. And I'll come back and show you the box after it has been painted with the base coat and then spray painted with the permanent coat. Okay, so guys, now my box is painted white. As you can see, it is now ready to be decorated and filled with Christmas goodies. So let's go ahead and decorate it. Okay, so now I have the bow tied. As you can see, the beautiful black and white bow here. I have it all ready to put on the gift, and we're gonna use the little tree. But what we're gonna do first, we're gonna fill our box, and then we'll put this on, okay? And as you can see, it's really gonna be beautiful, but I'm thinking what we need to do first, let me show it to you so you'll get a better idea of what it's gonna look like. Now what I'm gonna have to do is probably glue the little tree onto the box and then add the bow. So as you can see, it's really, really gonna be cute. Can you all see it okay? Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna fill the box because I wanna be able to close it and then put the bow on it. So let's go ahead and fill it up, and then we'll put the bow and the ornament on the box. So I'm gonna open it up. So what I'm gonna use as a filler in the box is the little fillers that you get from the Dollar Tree. I just bought a bag of it, and that's what I'm gonna use as a filler to put in my box, okay? So now let me show you what all I purchased. I truly do not think I can put everything in the box, but we're gonna put in it what we can. Okay, we have the candy from the Dollar Tree, and everyone loves these. I also have a hot cocoa bar. This was also from the Dollar Tree. This little candle from the Dollar Tree, and we all love candles, so this will be a great little gift. I also have this beauty skincare soap. It's also from the Dollar Tree. I have the hot and cold iPads. Now, as I said, I may not be able to put everything in the box, but I just wanted to have enough on hand to make sure I could fill the box. So there's the iPads, and this will make a great gift for a friend or a relative. And I have a little scrunchie, also from the Dollar Tree. Now the little BB shot glasses here, which are very cute, I picked these up at Goodwill, and they were so cute. They were 99 cents each. I picked those up to use them. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but for 99 cents, I couldn't go wrong with them if I keep them, okay? So that's what all I have to put in my box. So let's get started and put this box together. And once we get all of our items in the box, then we'll decorate the outside of it, okay? Okay, so let's get this box filled. So I have went ahead and put a few of the little fillers in here. And the first item I'm gonna put in is my candy. And I'm gonna put it over here in this corner. And as I said, I may have to take some of the fillers out because I want everything to make sure the box is closed, okay? So next, I'm gonna put in the little hot cocoa bar. We're gonna just set it right there. And under it, I'm gonna put the little candle. Get it set there. So next, let's put the skincare beauty bar. I'll put it up here in this corner. And I think the only thing I'm gonna be else to put in here is gonna be the scrunchie, because I just don't know if we'll be able to get much more in here. And to put it, we're gonna have to really squeeze it in here. So we wanna be able to close our box, okay? So there's the box. I think it turned out great, and it'll make a nice gift. It's very easy. Anyone can do this. And as I said, all the items that I have placed in here come from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I have 5 Dollar Tree items in my box. So that means it came to around, $6.25. And the box I purchased from Goodwill at $3.99. So we got for about $10. And I think that's a beautiful gift. Okay, so as you all can see, that's what I put all the items here in it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna decorate the top of the box. So we'll put the ribbon on it. We may have to tie a ribbon around it to see it, to make it stay, but I'm thinking it'll be okay. Okay, and you all make sure you stay around so you can go over and check out Lifestyle and Design with Teresa, and she'll be coming on after me, and after her at 6 o'clock will be At Home with Lisa. And this is the day, 12 days of Blessedmas, okay? So I have everything in here. It looks like it's closed. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this beautiful bow on it. And of course, I wanna add my little Christmas tree, this little ornament. And I think what we're gonna have to do with it is maybe glue it. I'm gonna glue it onto the box because I wanna make sure it stays on the box. So let's glue it on the box and put the ribbon. I may have to put another ribbon around the box just to make sure it stays, okay? So let's do that. I think what I'm first gonna do, I'm gonna get another piece of my ribbon to put around the box, just because I think it will look great. And as I said before, I wanna make sure my box stays together. So all we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this ribbon and just wrap a piece around here. And then we'll go back and we'll put the large bow on it, okay? So I'm gonna get some tape and tape this ribbon here, and then we'll go back in and put the bow and the Christmas tree on it. I did have the little greenery for it, but I'm not for sure we're gonna be able to put that on there. So let's take that. Okay guys, so what I've done now, I've went ahead and added my bow to the box here and the little tree. And as you can see, it turned out beautifully. And I'm gonna add one more item to it. I'm gonna add the little greenery to it here. And that should do it. This turned out beautifully. And as you all know, it was very, very budget friendly. The box comes from the Goodwill. The items that I placed in the box come from the Dollar Tree. And all of the decorations, the little trees were from the Dollar Tree. The greenery is greenery I had. The beautiful ribbon did come from Walmart. And as you can see, the box turned out beautifully, and anyone would love to have it as a gift. Okay, now as I told you, Lifestyle Design with Teresa is up next. After her will be At Home with Lisa. And we'll do this all again tomorrow, starting at 5:20 with me, Design with Emma. At 5:40, it will be Lifestyle Design with Teresa. And at 6 p.m. will be At Home with Lisa. Okay? I want to thank you all for coming along with me today, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. If you would, leave me something in the comment to let me know if you like this kind of content. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're not a family member, I'm going to ask that you come along and be a family member. We would love to have you. Okay? So this is day 2. I will be seeing you for Blessedmas Day 3 tomorrow at the same time, 5:20. And thank you for joining me today. So let's go over and see what Teresa has.